SOMA is the roller shade default when dependable lifting matters more than the initial cost. Choose another pick for slat-only control, quieter curtain schedules, or simpler rod curtain installation. You'll see 4 main options, matched to your window treatment and daily routine. No opener fits every window. Choose for compatibility, visibility, charging, and the movement you need. For most roller shades, I'd start with SOMA Smart Shades 3. Buy it if you want a sturdy retrofit motor that can handle standard or smaller beaded chains, plus non-beaded loop cords. Its strong lifting ability makes it the practical choice when reliable daily movement matters most. An optional solar panel can reduce charging chores. The catch is the extra spend. Connect U1 is separate for full smart home control, solar is extra, and the white motor stays visible. Skip it if budget or hidden hardware matters more. If your horizontal blinds have a tilt wand, SwitchBot Blind Tilt is the sensible value route. Buy it for scheduled slat adjustment without regular charging, since its solar charger comes included. It attaches directly to the wand, so installation stays fairly straightforward. Just know what it does. It rotates louvers, but it won't raise or lower the blind. Remote control and automations need a separate compatible hub, and the unit remains on display. Skip it for cord tilt blinds, or if you need full blind movement. For curtain schedules that need less noticeable movement, go with SwitchBot Curtain 3. Buy it if your curtains use a compatible rod and you want broad rod compatibility with a lower noise scheduled mode. Quiet drift moves more slowly, which suits opening or closing routines when speed isn't the point. It can sit behind opaque curtains, keeping the motor less obvious. The trade-off is extra setup. A hub is needed beyond nearby Bluetooth control, solar costs extra, and the clamp arms can be fiddly. Skip it if sheer curtains expose the hardware or you want fast movement every time. When installation simplicity beats quiet operation, Aqara Curtain Driver E1 is the better fit. Buy it for compatible grommet or ring top rod curtains when you want a button-operated hook system and quicker movement. Its long battery interval also means less routine charging to remember. The catch is that the rod version is limited to those curtain styles, and it's louder than SwitchBot Curtain 3. Smart features need a separate Aqara hub M2, while the supplied strip and clips can look conspicuous. Skip it for backtab curtains or a quieter room. Quick split. Reliable roller shade lifting, SOMA Smart Shades 3. Scheduled blind slat changes, SwitchBot Blind Tilt. Less noticeable curtain schedules, SwitchBot Curtain 3. Faster, simpler rod curtain installation, Aqara Curtain Driver E1. Before buying, confirm how your shade, blind, or curtain actually moves. Check rod and curtain style, space for visible hardware, and whether you need a hub. Solar can cut charging chores, but it also needs a spot in the window. If you're unsure, start with SOMA Smart Shades 3 for a dependable roller shade retrofit. Go SwitchBot Blind Tilt if slat angle is your problem. Choose SwitchBot Curtain 3 for quieter schedules, or Aqara Curtain Driver E1 when easy, fast rod curtain installation matters more. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.